Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the calendar reachable. In Google Calendar, go to the specific calendar settings and either enable public access or generate the secret iCal link. This is the actual feed you'll embed. Once done, open the Notion page where you want the calendar and prepare to insert an embed block. Make sure you choose the feed that matches your privacy needs. Public for visible pages, secret iCal for private views, because that choice determines how Notion can display live events. Next, embed or automate. If you only need visual calendar display, type /embed in Notion and paste the iCal or public link. Notion will render events. If you require interaction, two-way updates, database items, or property mapping, use an automation platform. Connect your Google account and your Notion integration, grant required scopes, then create flows. Map triggers like new event or event, updated to actions that create or update Notion database rows. And test each mapping so titles, dates, and descriptions land in the right. Finish by aligning Notion properties with the calendar fields. Set a date property, plain text title, and rich text for descriptions so data maps cleanly. Once done, run a few test events to confirm creation and updates flow as expected, then enable regular or instant triggers in your automation tool. If something breaks, the first troubleshooting move is to reauthorize both Google and Notion connections, ensure the iCal link hasn't changed, and review the automation execution, logs for permission or mapping errors, which usually reveals the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.